Hey guys, welcome back to another video and match week 6 of today's predictions. So, what we're gonna do is do this really quickly and hopefully I get this out before the match actually starts because I really badly want to watch it since it's a United match. So, let's go through this quickly. United are gonna win this 2-1. The scorers will be Reece Nelson, Mbumo, and Benjamin Sheshko. Aston Villa versus Fulham will be a 2-1 to Aston Villa, with the scorers being Ollie Watkins, Alex Iwobi, and Amadou Onana. Chelsea versus Brighton will finish 3-1. Scorers will be Palmer, João Pedro Brace, and Yakuba Minte. Liverpool versus Crystal Palace will be a 2-3 win to Liverpool. Still going perfect in the league. The scorers will be Ekitike, Isak, Gakpo, Mateta, and Ismail Sarr. Leeds versus Bournemouth, I think, will actually be closer than a lot of people think. It'll be a 2-2 draw. The scorers will be Okafor, Longstaff, Evanilson, and Clivert. Man City versus Burnley, I do feel will also be close. Burnley been holding teams down, unlike the last time they were up, so that'll be a 2-1 win for City. Scorers will be Haaland, Tijani Reinders, and Ugachukwu. Nottingham Forest versus Sunderland will be a 1-1 draw, with the scorers being Isidore and Chris Wood. Tottenham Hotspur versus Wolverhampton Wanderers. I need to look for it on my list. That will be a 3-1 win to Spurs. Sorry, a 3-1 win to Spurs. I've not started another score on my sheet, so I had to count the scorers quickly. So the scorers will be Strand Larsen, Solanke, João Pellinia, and Matthias Tell. Arsenal versus Newcastle would be 3-2 to Arsenal. The scorers will be Victor Gyökeres, Saka, Odegaard, and on Newcastle would be Joe Linton and Dan Burn. And then the last match of this match week will be Everton versus West Ham, where West Ham will get another loss and Everton will cruise through with a 2-0 win. The scorers will be Jack Grealish and Beto. That's it, right? This is match week 7. Yeah, okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.